Hi there, my name is Sam and I'm here at TCS Custom Woodworks. I've already shown you a video of some of our molds, but I'm going to show you an updated version. As you know, we make building molds for all different kinds of models of guitars. This one is for a Dreadnought. So let me show you what this looks like, all standing upright. We have two big spreaders. Now we also offer some 3D printed spreaders, or you can make your own small spreaders here that go at the waist. They're small enough so that they can be pulled out through the sound hole after it's done. But what these big spreaders do, it's like after making the bend of your guitar sides, you can really hug them into the building mold, because sometimes we have a little bit of spring back. We like to use these spreaders because they make sure that everything is nice and snug into the building mold. And I think this system works really great. You can turn them left or right, however to tighten them. And you can put pins here so that the eyelets or the eye holes in the turnbuckles will hold them, the spreaders together. And it's just a great system. It's really strong. It's made out of 3 layers of MDF. It's a fantastic thing. I love this. I think every guitar builder needs one of these in their shop. If you feel like there's a model that we're not offering and you can't find our website, please just give us a call or text us or email us. We would love to be able to get a custom order set for you. Just let us know how we can better serve you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.